What color do you get when you mix red and blue? You get purple. Where is the shrimp's heart located? The shrimp's heart is located in its head. What can't you do when you sneeze? You can't keep your eyes open when you sneeze. What number do the opposite sides of standard dice add up to? They always add up to 7. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than what? A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the sun. How many eyes do caterpillars have? Caterpillars have 12 eyes.